Hi friends, all of you are welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you air layering of Gava. Now until you see the roots inside the polythene from outside, you should not try to detach that plant from the mother plant. So wait till the roots comes fully just like net and then cut it from below the soil which is attached to the cut part of that root stick, or you can say piece of branch. Now sometimes the period of formation of roots may be differ from region to region, because whenever you means do air layering in coastal areas, the process of root formation is very fast as compared to other areas. Some of our subscribers told us and sent me photos of air layerings of Gava. He told me that he got roots, full roots within that cutting part within 30 to 40 days. But now that it depend upon combination of soil, temperature and humidity in the atmosphere. Dear friends, those who are new viewers, I would like to request them to subscribe my channel and click bell icon also for getting new notifications of new information related to plant graftings. Now already before 3 months about, I did this air layering on Gava. Now as I am looking these roots from outside which are touching to the polythene, you must use transparent polythene or jute bags, jute sacks. Now the best season for this air layering is rainy season. From June to October are the best months for air layering. Even you can do it in March and April, but that is troublesome, because if you do it in March and April, in that season vaporization rate is more, and that's why there will be a need to water after every 3 to 4 days to that air layering. Now dear friends, as you see such type of roots inside the polythene, then you have to cut those branches which are to your air layerings. Why? Because to decrease the evaporation rate, transpiration rate of that plant. If you keep more branches to your air layering, then after cutting and planting, you will see that plant is going to die. So before detaching this stick of air layering, you have to cut extra branch. Only you have to keep 10 to 15 leaves only on the branches and keep only one branch with leaves. By this way you can reduce the transpiration rate of that plant, because the roots are newly, you can say, increased inside that polythene, and that's why they are not too strong as like the tap roots of seedlings, and that's why as they are newly coming roots, they are not strong, and that's why they have no capacity to absorb such type of minerals and water and to supply the whole tree, whole new tree. And that's why we reduce the branches, we cut or detach the extra branches. Only we means, you can say, keep only one branch with 10 to 15 leaves only. As at once it is planted inside the pocket, after 2 to 3 months the roots will become strong, and then automatically you will get sprouting on your air laying plants. And after consider that we are means potting this air laying plant, at the time of, you can say, potting it, your soil mixture should be very good. How to prepare potting soil mixture? You have to take any sandy soil, 50% and 50%, you can say, cow dung manure, or you can say vermicompost also, and mix it 50-50%. And if you have sticky soil, then mix 30 to 40% sand, micro sand, by which the extra water can be pass, or water percolation process will be good in future. So such a way you can protect the plant roots from decay, because extra water is very dangerous. And whenever you give water, don't give continuously. By keeping 2 to 3 days gap, you pour it until you see the dryness in the pot or pocket soil. So such a way, whenever you plant any pocket plant or such type of a layering plant, you must keep this plant under the shade or under the tree shade. Don't keep such plants in direct hot sun. If somewhat, you can say, sunlight is coming, that is not dangerous. But if fully sunlight is coming towards that plant throughout day, then that is dangerous. So be cautious how to pot it.